Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ride-sharing and looking at the top 10 countries where Uber is absolutely crushing it. We're talking massive growth, huge market share, and some seriously impressive numbers. You might be going to one of these countries soon or planning to. We hope this information can help you avoid unfamiliar public transportation or getting scammed by a random cab driver. So buckle up, because we're about to break down everything you need to know. Let's get started. Number 10. If you're a traveler, you need to hear this. We're counting down the top countries where Uber dominates. All right, let's kick things off with Australia and New Zealand. These two countries, often referred to as the land down under, are not just known for their stunning landscapes and unique wildlife, but also for their bustling cities and innovative spirit. Now, Australia is a powerhouse, a massive country with a diverse economy and a love for all things efficient. From the iconic Sydney Opera House to the vibrant streets of Melbourne, efficiency and innovation are at the heart of Australian life. And guess what? Uber fits right into that. The convenience of hailing a ride with just a few taps on your phone has made Uber an integral part of daily life for many Australians. From Sydney to Melbourne, Brisbane to Perth, Uber is everywhere. Whether you're catching a ride to work, heading out for a night on the town, or exploring the sights, Uber is there to get you where you need to go. Think about it. You're in a new city, maybe even a new country, and you need to get around. The last thing you want to worry about is navigating unfamiliar public transportation or dealing with language barriers. What's easier than pulling out your phone and ordering an Uber? It's a simple, stress-free solution that allows you to focus on enjoying your trip. No language barriers, no fumbling with foreign currency, just a seamless, reliable ride. This level of convenience is especially valuable for tourists who may be unfamiliar with the local area. That's the power of Uber in Australia and New Zealand. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about providing a service that enhances the overall experience of being in these incredible countries. They've integrated themselves into the very fabric of these countries' transportation systems, and it's a testament to their business model and their ability to adapt to different markets. The success of Uber in these regions highlights the company's commitment to understanding and meeting the needs of its users. Number 9. Next up, we're heading over to Bangladesh, the 8th most populous country in the world. With its vibrant culture and bustling cities, Bangladesh is a place where tradition meets modernity. Now, Bangladesh is a country on the move, with a rapidly growing economy and a young, tech-savvy population. The youth here are not just consumers of technology, they are innovators, driving change and embracing new opportunities. And Uber has definitely taken notice. They've established a strong presence in major cities like Dhaka, Chittagong, and Khulna, offering reliable and efficient transportation options that cater to the needs of this dynamic population. Providing a much-needed alternative to traditional transportation methods, Uber is revolutionizing how people move around. Whether it's a daily commute or a spontaneous trip, Uber is making it easier and more convenient. Imagine 163 million people, all on the move, and Uber is right there with them, providing affordable, accessible rides. This isn't just about transportation, it's about creating opportunities and enhancing the quality of life. This is about more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about empowering people, connecting communities, and driving economic growth. Uber is playing a crucial role in shaping the future of mobility in Bangladesh, making a significant impact on the lives of millions. Number 8. Now let's talk about Hong Kong, a global financial hub with a fast-paced lifestyle and a dense population. Uber might have faced some regulatory hurdles in the past, but they've persevered, and their presence is undeniable. Hong Kongers have embraced the convenience and efficiency of ride-sharing, and Uber has become an integral part of the city's transportation ecosystem. It's a testament to their ability to navigate complex markets and adapt to local regulations. Uber isn't just about breaking into new markets. It's about understanding them, respecting them, and becoming a valuable part of the community. Number 7. India, a billion rides in the making. Let's talk about India, a country with a population of over 1.3 billion people. That's a massive market, and Uber knows it. They've invested heavily in India, and it's paying off big time. With a presence in over 60 cities, Uber has become a household name in India, offering everything from affordable rides to premium services. They've tapped into a market that's hungry for innovation and convenience, and they're constantly expanding their offerings to meet the needs of Indian riders. Number 6. Japan. Efficiency and innovation collide. Now let's head over to Japan, a country known for its technological prowess and its efficient transportation system. Uber has found a perfect fit in Japan, offering a seamless and reliable ride-sharing experience that complements the country's existing infrastructure. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the ancient temples of Kyoto, Uber is there, connecting people and places. They've adapted their platform to meet the specific needs of Japanese riders, offering features like in-app translation and cashless payments. Number 5. South Korea, a growing presence. Next up, we have South Korea, a technologically advanced country with a vibrant culture. While Uber's presence in South Korea might not be as extensive as in other countries on this list, they're steadily growing, focusing on major cities like Seoul, Busan, and Incheon. They've faced some regulatory challenges, but their commitment to innovation and their focus on providing a high-quality service is helping them gain traction in this competitive market. Number 4. Now let's talk about Saudi Arabia, a country undergoing significant transformation. Uber has played a pivotal role in this transformation, providing women with greater mobility and creating economic opportunities for Saudi citizens. They've adapted their platform to meet the specific cultural norms of Saudi Arabia, and they've become a symbol of progress and innovation in the kingdom. Number 3. Chapter 8. United Arab Emirates, Luxury and Convenience on Demand. Let's move on to the United Arab Emirates, a global hub for tourism, business, and innovation. Uber has found a perfect home in the UAE, offering a premium ride-sharing experience that aligns perfectly with the country's luxurious lifestyle. From the towering skyscrapers of Dubai to the pristine beaches of Abu Dhabi, Uber is there, providing a convenient and reliable way to get around. Number 2. Canada, from coast to coast with Uber. Now, let's head north to Canada, a vast country with a diverse population and a love for all things convenient. Uber has become a staple in major Canadian cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal, providing a reliable alternative to traditional taxis. They've embraced Canadian values like inclusivity and accessibility, and they've become an integral part of the country's transportation landscape. Number 1. Mexico, riding the wave of growth. Finally, let's talk about Mexico, a country with a rich history, a vibrant culture, and a rapidly growing economy. Uber has made significant inroads in Mexico, establishing a strong presence in major cities like Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Monterrey. They've tapped into a market that's eager for affordable and convenient transportation options, and they're constantly expanding their reach to connect more people and communities. The future of ride-sharing is global. As we wrap up this journey through the world of ride-sharing, it's clear that the landscape is evolving rapidly. So there you have it, the top 10 countries where Uber is absolutely dominating the ride-sharing market. From Australia to Mexico, Uber's presence is undeniable and growing stronger every day. Let us know in the comments if you're planning to visit any of these countries and connect people in a way that's never been done before. Whether it's a quick ride to work or a journey across town, Uber is making transportation more accessible and convenient. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this exploration of Uber's global influence insightful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by hitting the like button. Your feedback helps us create more engaging content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and stories from the world of technology and innovation. See you in the next one. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.